Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. If you are new here, my name is Jayria, and in today's video I will be cooking some brown stew fish, Jamaican style. So stay tuned, continue watching, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe for more videos. So without further ado, let's start this video. So the first thing you want to do is to clean your fish using lemon juice and vinegar. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you remove all excess water from the fish using a hand towel to pat dry, so you won't have any sticking problem when you are ready to fry. And these are all the seasonings that I will be using on the fish. As you can see, I have garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, ground pepper, fish seasoning, and lemon pepper. And this is how my fish is looking once I add all the seasonings. So guys, these are all the ground seasonings that I will be using. As you can see, I have a lot of garlic and I do have a Scotch bonnet pepper. So if you're planning to prepare some fish and you don't have any pepper or garlic, then I would suggest you don't prepare any fish, okay? So I do have some carrots, sweet pepper, fresh thyme, scallion, onion, and a tomato. So basically I'm just preparing all the ground seasonings to go on the fish. So continue watching guys, and you can take this time to leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, and let's get this cooking going. And also guys, I suggest using a gloves whenever you are cutting your Scotch bonnet pepper, because these pepper, they are really hot, and if you're not wearing a gloves, please wash your hands properly to get rid of that pepper. So guys, I do suggest using purple onions, as to me it has more taste and it gives more flavor to your fish. And again, I suggest using green peppers over the red, the yellow, and the orange, as to me the green peppers has more taste and give more flavor. So guys, I also have ginger, and this is another main ingredient for me when I'm cooking fish. I normally crush ginger and put a decent amount in my sauce. And guys, don't forget using some fresh thyme and your scallion. So once I'm done preparing my vegetables and ground seasonings, it's now time to fry the fish. I'm using some vegetable oil and I'm using a generous amount of oil to avoid getting my fish sticking to the frying pot. And also guys, I am using a Scotch bonnet pepper and some garlic. I'm adding this to the oil and this will give the oil a nice flavor. So once the garlic and the Scotch bonnet pepper is golden brown, then I remove them from the oil before adding my fish. So moving on, now I'm going to prepare the sauce. I'm using 1 cup of water and some ketchup, and I'm also using some browning, and this is what I'm going to use to make the sauce. So now I'm gently mixing my sauce. And another thing guys, I am going to add a small amount of honey. This is optional, but as for me, whenever I'm making my brown stew fish, I love to add a small amount of honey as it gives the sauce a nice flavor as well. So I'm done frying the fish and it's ready and waiting. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to saute the vegetables and then I am going to add the sauce. So once I add the sauce guys, I'm going to add the fish and I'm going to cover and let it cook for roughly 5 minutes, and just continue watching guys to see the end results. So guys, I sauteed the vegetables for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Then after I add the sauce, and now I am going to add the fish and let it simmer. So this is it guys, my brown stew fish is done prepare and it is ready to serve. So leave a like and also comment and let me know what you all think about my brown stew fish guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe for more videos like this one. So this is my Sunday dinner guys. Please rate my dinner and let me know what you all think about my brown stew fish recipe, and I will see you all on my next video. Thanks again for watching. Peace out. Bye.